I'm sorry.
Is this how you're studying?
Go study now, kitten. Mom, look, I got an A.
Well done, my son.
Mom, I'm sorry.
Is this how you're studying? A few moments later. Oh no!
Not like what you see, Mom.
Take the consequences, son!
Brother, eat this candy. Thanks, my sister.
The next day.
While the white cat is happily playing games, the black cat has to clean the house.
Son, come here and eat roast chicken.
Yeah, fried chicken is so delicious. I am hungry.
Oh no! The black cat was treated unfairly by its mother when it was only fed green soup.
Mom, I can't eat this.
Shut up and eat now.
30 minutes later,
I'm going shopping for a while.
the mother cat happily went out shopping, while the black cat had to stay home and do the housework.
I have a gift for you.
Yeah.
This is a toy car for you, my dear.
But when the black cat asked for a toy, the mother cat got angry and chased and beat the black cat. On one side is a happy white cat with its mother. On the other side is a lonely black cat crying alone. Oh no! The white cat took advantage of the mother's sleep, sneaked in the food from the refrigerator, and ate it deliciously.
Oh no!
What's that loud sound?
The black cat was also surprised by the loud noise, so it immediately went to check. But at this moment, the mother cat saw and misunderstood that the black cat was a sneaky eater.
I will teach you a lesson, black cat.
Please forgive me. Mom, not me.
The mother cat decided to review the camera and discovered that the white cat was the culprit.
I'm sorry, my daughter.
I come to help you.
The kitten was always teased by his classmates because his fur was white while his classmates' fur was black.
What are you going to do? I come to help you. Mom, I got paint spilled on my head.
The kitten told everything to its mother. The mother cat felt very sad and took the kitten to see the teacher.
Hello, teacher. My child was bullied. You must not bully the white cat.
Even though the teacher had warned them, the classmates still teased and splashed paint on the little kitten.
I have to do something.
Late at night, waiting for the mother cat to fall into a deep sleep, the kitten began sneaking outside.
This is the only way.
Oh my god! Because she didn't want to be bullied anymore. The kitten bought black paint to paint on her body to look like her friends.
Aha!
Oh wow! The kitten's method also worked, and the kitten was no longer bullied.
Oh no!
The kitten was playing soccer with his friend when it rained, and the kitten's secret was discovered.
I won't let myself be bullied anymore.
Unable to bear it anymore, the kitten began to fight back by splashing white paint on his classmates, making everyone as white as him.
Hi, Emma. Hi, James. Let's go to school.
Wow, this is so cool. These two kittens are best friends and always go to school together.
Hey, go to class. Bye-bye, James. I draw so well.
Wow! In this class, James is really into chemistry and is about to do his own chemistry experiment.
Oh no, it's on fire.
Oh my god! James has set fire to the chemistry lab and is hiding in the corner of the table in fear.
Oh no, that's James.